Perfect.
Good morning, YouTube. So today we are going to be putting the carbon fiber grill on the car. Simple mod. I got this big ass roll of 3M tape, so it should be enough for the entire Accord community. I have my carbon fiber parts. These are real carbon fiber, something I've been working on for a while. You guys already saw the other video. This is the Akaska kit. I did do carbon fiber on this as well. So this is real carbon fiber. But today we're going to be touching up the front by putting on this grill kit right here. So honestly, it's a simple mod. Take the double-sided tape, put it on the back of this carbon fiber cover, stick it onto the car, and we're done. So let's get to it. All right, ladies and gents, so I do have the double-sided tape on the back of these parts. I am going to go ahead and install them onto the vehicle right now. So let's watch that magic happen. Alright, ladies and gents, the carbon fiber grill is now on. This is what the front looks like. So now that this is complete, let's go take some shots in the sun. guys, so this is the end of the video. As you can see, the kit is installed. I think it looks pretty damn good if you ask me. I'm gonna do a walk around real quick of the vehicle so you can actually see what it looks like in its entirety. 2018 Accord, those of you guys that have been following already know this. It's a 2-liter turbo. It's got aftermarket wheels, Megan Megan lowering springs, on-hand LS007s, 20x9 plus 30 offset on all 4 wheels. Tires are 245 35 20s. It now has the Akaska front lip on it with a carbon fiber, what is called overlay. I do have the carbon fiber grille on there now. I did use some vinyl wrap on the fender emblems and also on the H in the front. When I put the sport, or I should say when I took the sport spoiler off and I put the duckbill on, I did wrap the trunk in that same vinyl. It's a little bit brighter than the actual paint, but it does the job nevertheless. I do have the chrome delete kit on the windows. I do also have the arrow here in the back called the diffuser. Engine wise, I swapped out intake, so I had the Takata intake on there, or Takata, whatever you want to call it. I swapped it out for PRL just so that I could get a little bit better fuel trims, especially when I swap on the CTR turbo. It does have K-tuner on there, stage 2. I'm running a tablet on the inside as well with tuner view so I can see all my telemetry. I did a custom engine cover, so I did that months back, 6-7 months ago. Painted it crinkle red, so there's a video on that. Other than that, I mean, it's basically, it's a daily, it's a 10-speed, so I drive this thing for work all the time, all across the state, anywhere I need to sell a house or go buy a house. It's got about 15,000 miles on it so far. All of my oil changes, everything has been done at Honda. They have not complained whatsoever about the K-tuner or anything like that. I was even plugged in, with the exception of like the little dongle that goes into the OBD2 port. That I take off. I mean, I'm not gonna be super dumb and leave that there so they can find it. But with the tune on the car, nobody says anything about it. You know, there's other things that I wanted to do to the car I have not done yet, just because I've either been busy with work or been busy working on other projects. But this is it. This is the car. At some point in time, I'm probably gonna get new wheels. I kind of even feel like getting a new paint or powder coat on these wheels, but I like it. You know, I like how it sits. I like how it is. I get a lot of compliments on it. Here in my town anyways, there's a lot of Accords now. There is not one of them that somebody has done anything to. When it first started, a lot of the older people were driving the Accords. Now you're starting to see, you know, people that are in their 40s, 30s, 20s driving them. So hopefully the market gets a little bit bigger, but for now, you know, anytime I go to a car meet or something, I am the only one that has a modified 10th gen. So if any of you guys ever want to meet up, any of you guys in Texas, I am willing to drive just so that we can go hang out, do some stuff together. But that's my boo. So let me know what you guys think of the project. Let me know what you guys think of the carbon fiber. Hopefully you guys like it. Took me a long ass time to actually get it done. Both project time and work time. I mean, a lot of learning. I had no idea what the hell I was doing, and it took a lot of trial and error. Lots of times that I messed up. I spent quite a bit of money on the actual carbon fiber, like the mat itself, and then the epoxy and resin.
I just bought a gallon each, and actually I thought that was gonna go quickly, but it's lasted me quite a bit. I still have half a gallon after all the projects that I've done. So hopefully, like I said, you like the video. Give me a thumbs up if you guys like it. Comment. Hopefully you guys subscribe as well, because like I said, I've got a lot of projects going on. But let me know what you guys think. So again, this is Fahrenheit Motorsports. Appreciate y'all. Enjoy your summer. Stay safe.